Thanks to YouTube, I caught the sailing bug. I bought a boat, and now I'm going to learn how to sail. This is probably one of the funnest adventures of my life. So I've been doing a bunch of solo sailing these last couple weeks. In this video that you're seeing right now, I did first start off by sailing just the main, and got a little bit more comfortable, and then once I got more comfortable, started flying the main and the jib, and really just kind of learning how to sail. I'm currently traveling at 4.2 knots, and I'm just enjoying a beautiful day. Wind's probably about 13 knots right now coming from the south, and it is just perfect. There's my sail, perfectly trimmed. See the telltales, those little things flapping in the wind, that means my sail is perfectly trimmed. 1 knots, just cruising. Really, these last couple weeks have taught me just a ton about sailing. It's been pretty cool because one of the big things is you learn patience, you learn how to stay calm. You know, I didn't think that this was dangerous per se, but sometimes when the wind is flapping a sail, you know, the sail's just luffing everywhere, and you got lines flying around, and you know, you just have to tell yourself, calm down. And there's been several instances where I've just had to kind of talk myself through it, and so it's been good. It's been real good. I've enjoyed it. And for some of you who are maybe kind of watching and wondering what this channel is, I started out doing motorcycles years and years ago, and took about a 6-year break. Got a boat recently, and plan on just really learning the marine industry. I have some bigger plans, sailing a little bit offshore. I've taken some sailing classes, and so ultimately I just want to kind of share my sailing experience with you. And like I said, I've got some big plans, and you know, as those come together, it'll be more exciting to share those. But yeah, ultimately, that's kind of where the channel's going, and I hope that you've enjoyed these last couple sailing videos, and we'll keep shooting more.
Hello, dreamer. You've been dreaming for so long. Now you're waking, and you're still waiting for the sun to come along. All your fantasies point to death, things you can't see. You're caging yourself when you want to be free. Tell me, what do you want, and what do you need to see? Your dreams are your reality. Let's leave everything and go traveling. See what tomorrow brings. It's only a choice away. Let's back up and leave today. Tell me, what do you have to lose? Are you living the life you choose? There's a place we can live like kings. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Hello, dreamer. You've been dreaming for so long. Now you're waking. You're still waiting.
As soon as I felt more comfortable sailing, I knew that I wanted to conquer going under that bridge. successful bridge crossing. Well, it's technically the second because I went through it already this morning, but that one was way smoother.